One not one way. What I going with? Yes, so I'm come on live for talk to my people them. What I going with now? Alright, everybody safe and secured. I'm not having an hand sanitizer and everything up. Well quarantined and everything. Self quarantine that is. May I beg you please be safe. All we are going, everybody I make joke about it and everything then. We are Jamaicans, we're not nothing too serious. But on a be safe. And I'm not for joke about. Have you seen my video? Fancy? Have you guys seen my video, Fancy? No, so you really ask me about party ticket, you know one? My sister asked me about no parties, no girl. Even if parties still a keep, I say them promoter they crazy. If promoters still keep party right now, no, like in a this time, yeah, I'm crazy. Me a promoter, and if you're somebody with sense, you're supposed to know say a serious thing and go on. Keeping yourself safe. Listen to what nobody say. Keeping yourself safe because it's real. Know yourself, man. We keep the faith. We keep the faith. It'll get out real soon. It does like a pass through. It does like a figure out about it. Everybody got us good. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Everybody got alright. And we're gonna pass over this just like how Ebola did pass and everything else did pass and everything with them fling out with the pass. We're gonna pass through it. Got this. We got this, right? I'm play some music now. I must play. Which song should I play? You talk to me now, not tell me which song to play. I'm gonna find something. Hold up. Freeze. This is the bumper police. No, tell me song to play. Then I wonder if I talk Spanish or something. What song should I play? Would not talk power? What song should I play? Which song must I play? Me ask which song play. Everybody I say hello, hi, hello. Show me question. Alright, so one person that say play your song. Big up everybody in Kenya. So play a Vibes Cartel. What? Freeze. Alright. Person will say play your song. A Daniboo. Yeah, boo. A Daniboo. What? Yeah, say me sweet like Nestle. Sweet like Nestle. Them a say me sweet like Nestle. Find it too. Sweet like Nestle. Fresh pan the scene like a bad with thickness. Girl, find the rhythm them for my head. Tick bad. Tick bad. Tick bad, my love you here, baby. Man, I pray this when you have a feet or something then I know. Same look the way me flick it like a domino. Jiggle it like a bit then my tip up on my toe. A Daniboo. Hot girl up on the runway. Eat that girl with a runway. Dear girl, man, I get take way. Them I say me sweet like Nestle. Find a rhythm them for me. Them so sweet like Nestle. I'm a freestyle fool. Style so sick, style so dangerous. Me talk arm and wicked, don't fuck with us. And if you violate me, make your face mash up. Or the rifle both make you bite the dust. Mad, sick in my hair, sick in my brain. Can't catch me up on the corner, come and dip on the me. I don't fuck with these bitches, so I'ma stay in my lane. Plus, yeah. Fresh pan the scene like a my good friend, hello there. What you say, what you get, yes I miss. Man, I say my feel like diabetes. Daniboo. Alright, something fresh? Different freestyle? Alright. But in a bed like that ready me it dopey. In the bathroom with a man drop soap me. Pussy hold him like time with the ropey. Other little freakiness grab my neck and choke me. Vibes at the party same way in the bedroom. I broke the body like glass now for bend down. At the best this pussy God sent come. Plus a little waist boy never get known. See how much nugget? I'ma tell you what I want. Me have a wicked piece of fuck coffee time man. Pussy pretty and real like diamond. Make you do as I say like Simon. She can level up when me and when I level up. She can bubble up like see me name 7 up. Ta 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 ta. Oh, it's still that thing about weed song. Hey, bro. Hey. Yeah, but we keep this up for coffee time, man. We have an extra cup, you know. So don't tell the boy I said. Yeah, we keep this up for coffee time, man. Pussy tea and real like diamond. Make you do as I say like Simon. Pussy smell like and 3.1. What are you doing now, say? Sweet. Style so sick, style so dangerous. We talk oh man. So somebody comment on a different freestyle, alright. Not true, no see my shape, my ass, I mean the badness shaky. My dogs them crazy, trigger finger never lazy. Me hear them talk about bag of things, but that shit never faze me. I stand up firm, I know I'm strong like a Gibraltar raise me. Run up on them, I make it fire like a rocket. Always I'm a matic, if you diss me, I go clap it. No, you're full of chat, but like if you say better back it. One like say you're bad, but you're not bad, you better stop it. Hey, them never know, say me do this daily. And them girl, I run them up, me know them fear me, yeah. Pull up on them ends and left it scary. Real boss bitch, money make a dough compare with. Keep left, look around. Big up all of the people, them. Well, love and support Daniboo. Me bend my back, round of applause on my clap. That magnificent one snap. That same one give me a back shot. Drop it and pop it, drop it and pop it, drop it and pop it. Me and drop it and pop it. Tell me though. Drop it and pop it and then me take it and tack it. Pack it up because traffic me ready the cut a sock it. Make it bust like a matic, blast off like a rocket. Make it bounce, 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 bounce. Him love when me bend my back. Round of applause on my clap. That magnificent one snap. That same one give me a back shot. I'ma tell you, the proper that me got, that me body good, me hot. One time man we out a road, they say them with that tap, that them see me and a stop chat. Them off a touch a fat cat. Good. Oh, sorry, somebody they said they want to connect the live with me. Then the request, you know. Who want to connect the live with me? Who want to connect the live with me? Anybody dancer, bad DJ? Anybody want to represent Daniboo live? Tune in now, better sign in now. Ready? Me back it up on the cocky, him say him love me rocky. See fat body tick up on me body, him slappy. See them on it and clap it, right fast like a jockey. Me do anything you want because the boy not go chatty. Yeah. So, see good pussy, yeah, boy come stab it up. Come living on me wall like crabby now. And if you ever come quick, me a malice ya. No unlike when a boy can stab it up. See good pussy ya. But now connect live with me. Me a the best me ever get. Okay. Yo, my sweat. Yeah, the best of the rhythmic. Mr. David, this is Commentary. Pull up. Under the sycamore tree. Yeah? Alright. So everybody know Mama Sa have one song on the rhythm here. Yeah. So I did say under the sycamore tree, a boy want it. I just stop it, that's something like that. I want because pull it up. Alright, so I'm going to talk to you. So no more they have a song on the rhythm. What should he say again? So I did say under the sycamore tree, a boy want she bow, and she tell him to flee. So I did say under the sycamore tree. Tell my version. Out on the beach a ouchie, a boy want to bow, and me tell him to flee. I did say. Yeah. And me did say out on the beach a ouchie, a boy want to bow, and me tell him to flee. Out on the beach a ouchie. Going nice. A long time him really want me. Always a call me, a tell me him money. Tell me him a go make me wet like tsunami. I know him a go deal with me tight punani. The boy flexing, me know him is a done. But when in him head space, me no understand. Him go dump on him knee and pass on him man. And say him can last about 10 furlong. See, and me tell him fi out on the beach a ouchie. think this boy a bad boy. Up on the beach, a boy want to bow, and me tell him to flee. Last night, I'm singing something. So do we then get a humble thought? Now we the full of vibes of bumble clap. Yeah. I drive already, Driver! I get one stop with that beat, the man is a drive already. It's a driver. Yeah. Take it around. I don't know what the fuck he said. Take it what? So everybody know Daniboo knows that she's a eat person. Yeah. I grade. Maybe I'm over the right now. I'm be a freestyle now. Mr. Driver. Take you a one stop on a Peter Manning. Mr. Driver. Take you a one stop on a Peter Manning. Cause if you know me, you want it, and let it on this. And if you don't be say you don't be a girl, let it on this. Remember what the rest right now. Yeah. And then me crush the reed, pick out the seed and put it on the rizzler. For all of the weed people, wanna say, yeah, smoke the weed that get a humble thought. The weed are full of vibes, no bumbo clot. Me roll up one at the then lip it in the pocket. Me have to have me weed, me have me lighter and the dirty. Smoke the weed and get a humble thought. The weed are full of vibes, no bumbo clot. Yeah. Da-da. But anyway, but by myself, now I have no crew. You know I mean them Daniboo. Literally freestyle na dog. Freestyle. But by myself, anyway, now I have no crew. God of His mercy. God of His mercy. Lighter and a rizzler in a bun grabber. Just a go on vibes with my Instagram crew. I mean them Daniboo. Big up all of the people them way support me from day one. Big up all of the people them way support Daniboo from day one. And know how the thing go, right? From Girl Just Be Like page in 2014. Big up all of them people that we have to follow me. From them time there. You wanna know where I from?